In today's fast-changing world, even our gardens aren't safe from the impacts of climate change. A new gardening map has just been released, and it's revealing growing concerns for gardeners around the globe. The map, developed by climate scientists, shows a significant shift in gardening zones. Many regions that were once considered ideal for certain plants are now becoming unsuitable due to rising temperatures and changing precipitation patterns. For gardeners, this is more than just a matter of inconvenience. It's a potential threat to their livelihood. Plants that used to thrive in their gardens may struggle to survive in these changing conditions. But it's not just gardeners who should be concerned. The health of our ecosystems depends on a diverse range of plants and insects. If certain species can no longer survive in their natural habitats, it disrupts the delicate balance of our environment. So what can we do in the face of this growing concern? First and foremost, we need to acknowledge the reality of climate change and its impact on our everyday lives. By taking action to reduce our carbon footprint and support initiatives that promote sustainability, we can make a difference. Additionally, gardeners can adapt by choosing plants that are more resilient to changing conditions. By diversifying their garden with heat-tolerant and drought-resistant species, they can ensure a better chance of success. Climate change may be affecting our gardens, but with proactive measures and a commitment to environmental stewardship, we can create a more resilient future.